How to do a standing kettlebell shoulder press with proper form. Starting position. 1. Equipment. 2 kettlebells, or 1 if doing a single arm version. 2. Stance. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, core engaged. 3. Rack position. Clean the kettlebells to the rack position. Elbows bent. Kettlebells resting on the outside of your forearms near your shoulders. Wrists straight and palms facing inward. Execution. 4. Press up. Press the kettlebells overhead in a straight line. Rotate your arms slightly so that your palms face forward at the top. Your arms should be fully extended and biceps close to your ears. Keep your core braced and avoid leaning back. Thread lower down. Slowly lower the kettlebells back to the rack position, under control. Keep your elbows close to your body. 6. Repeat for reps. Muscles worked. Primary, deltoids, shoulders. Triceps. Upper trapezius. Secondary, core, stabilization. Serratus Anterior. Forearms, grip control. Tips for proper form. Keep your rib cage down and avoid arching your lower back. Squeeze your glutes and engage your abs to stay stable. Start with light kettlebells to master technique. Keep your head in a neutral position. Don't look up. Please check my next video.